Hello my flourishing friends, another video. Actually for me, the other video was 5 minutes ago, but okay. I do a little filming day for Easter today for you guys, so that's why I have the same setup, because it's just easier for me. I hope you're gonna be fine with it. So now we're gonna make another card, which has almost the same method as the last one. I'm gonna show you the last one again. There it is. If you didn't saw the video yet, check it out. Yeah, so I already pre-cut everything. I have nice bright colors for today's video. Really springy, really popping out. Me, myself, I like the card from yesterday even more because I also like vintagey things and stuff, and it goes more with my personal color scheme. For holidays like this, I also like to do poppy things. So there we go. So we're gonna do a yellow card. I already cut it. It's simple plain paper, normal scrapbooking paper. I already cut out the paper with a little egg in it. By the way, I used a candle holder for this, so yeah. It's not straight, but it looks like an egg, so it's all cool. And I cut this Easter paper I still have from last year Easter. What we're gonna do is gonna pop it right in the middle. Well, not right in the middle, let's stick it up a bit. Then we're gonna pop the egg on top, so it looks like the egg has all of those thingies on it. And then we're gonna put a little tag here that says Happy Easter, and then we're gonna do some fun things on the inside as well. So let's start with this. How I'm gonna do this now is I'm gonna glue this to the egg first, because it makes it easier for me to glue it then all together on top of the card. Because I'm afraid if I don't do it, I don't leave enough space, and then it doesn't look good. So yeah, I always try to work with my own dumbness. So yeah, there we go. There we have that. Now I'm gonna pop it on the card. And see, because I did this, I just can go wild with the glue, and then just pop it on the card. There we have this. I like that. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now, like we did in the other video, but this time I'm gonna do it with a colored pen. I'm gonna take a green Sharpie. I'm gonna draw around the egg and around the edges of the card. Okay, then we have this. I think it already looks like a card. I think that's so cool. Up next, we have to decide which tag we're gonna use. I was thinking one of those three. I think I'm gonna go with a nice green. I think that's nice. Also, it's almost the same color as on the nice Easter paper. So let's slap that on here. And I wrote on top, Happy Easter. How's it Easter? Let's flip it open. But be careful, this is still wet, so you don't smear all over the place. And for the inside, I saved some paper from the front. Actually, the green paper I also had in yellow, and I thought it was nice to take it for this occasion. What I'm gonna do with those to spice things up a bit, I'm gonna leave them really long and put them on this side here, like so. Let me glue that real quick. I think that's already super cute. Then I have some washi here. I'm gonna put that on the bottom here. And of course, last but not least, we have to do our little nice lines to make it look like something is sewed on there. So let's go. And there we have that. I really like how the inside of the card looks. Let's take a look at the front and to the inside again. Yeah, it's a simple card, pretty fast made, but I like those cards. Maybe this is an idea for some last minute crafting. I hope so. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you get inspired. Let me know what you did craft for Easter. And yeah, have a hippie hoppity Easter. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.